नहीं आती है, ठोकर खाने से आती है।
Mohammed Kaif, director of Well Talk Institute.
Fasten the seatbelt. He doesn't know. He doesn't know how to fasten seatbelt. So finally, our journey starts now. This vlog is going to start from now because we are leaving for Mumbai. Come on, follow me. Mas, are you ready? Let's
Yes,
go.
I'm ready.
Hey man, let's go. All right. हम वही कहना चाह रहे हैं, जर्नी कोई भी हो उसका लुत्फ उठाना चाहिए।
तो हम लोग भाई मुंबई के लिए खुशी खुशी रवाना हुए एयरपोर्ट के लिए। पहले जाएंगे मेट्रो में, मेट्रो से फिर जाएंगे एयरपोर्ट।
हाँ समझे, जब वो क्या बोले किक ऑफ बॉलीवुड शाहरुख खान के हाथ से अवार्ड लिया, कैसा फील हुई था? फेंका था नहीं, सही में कल देखे यार, परसों वीडियो तो अपलोड हुई, शाहरुख खान अवार्ड लिए, फेंका था, देखा थे नहीं, सही में नेहा शर्मा ने, बहुत बड़ी बात है।
तो भाई हम लोग मस्ती करते करते वहाँ पे पहुँचे मेट्रो। कुछ यूं ही बस मस्ती मजाक करते हुए एक्टिवा से पहुँचे। कार से नहीं जाना हुआ क्योंकि कार से जाते तो बहुत टाइम लग जाता। यहाँ पर उबैद भाई हम लोग से हैंडशेक किया, बेचारा ड्रॉप किया। ऑलराइट चलो फिर मिलते हैं यार उबैद, राइट सी यू, कम ऑन। सो लेट्स गो इन द मेट्रो फाइनली। So when we arrived at airport, we saw the security was not letting us go. Then security told us that, Virat Kohli is about to pass from here. So we were shocked. I was damn excited to see Virat Kohli. And of course, that was my favorite team. Oh my goodness, DK was there. DK sir! Hi! I became damn happy, We were damn excited to go inside because I knew that they would be inside. तो जैसे हम लोग अंदर गए, ओ भाई कैसे कैसे करके हम अंदर गए। अंदर तो हमारी यूट्यूब फैमिली मिल गई भाई। मैं तो आरसीबी का फॉलो कर रहा हूँ, आरसीबी के पीछे दौड़ते दौड़ते गए भाई। उन लोग से मैं मिल लूँ, कुछ कह दूँ, कुछ तो विश कर दूँ, फाइनल मैच है कल। लेकिन यहाँ तो अपनी यूट्यूब फैमिली मिल गई। थैंक यू, लव यू वेरी मच गाइज। आप सब लोग इतना प्यार मुझे दे रहे हैं। तो फाइनली मैं पहुंचा यहाँ पे आरसीबी प्लेयर्स के पास। डीके मेरे पास था, डीके से हाय बोला लेकिन उसका भाव नहीं मिला। सिक्योरिटी बहुत थी भाई, मुझे अंदर जाने नहीं दी। तो भाई कुणाल मेरे सामने था, मैंने कहा भाई इसी से कुछ बोल दूं मैं। उसको बोला सर आई एम हैप्पी टू सी यू एंड विश यू बेस्ट ऑफ लक। वो कहा थैंक यू। तो भाई हम लोग फिर चले अपनी व्लॉगिंग सीखने। हम लोग पहली बार व्लॉगिंग कर रहे थे, कुछ पता नहीं था। तो यहाँ पे भाई हम लोग व्लॉगिंग सीखने लगे।
So guys, I was just talking about Mr. Kaif is here, right? We can do like this, no? Why? So Mr. Bass is here, right? हैं? है ना? देखो जब उधर करना होगा ऐसे कर लेंगे। और ये बना रहे हो भाई, तो यहाँ पे जो है कैफ कर रहा है, कैफ करने के बाद
And yes, absolutely, we have reached at airport because we are leaving for Mumbai. Thank you very much everybody, because of you we have been nominated the best personality development trainers in Uttar Pradesh. Thank you very much. And of course Mr. Maz.
Alright.
Hey, it's your first time, right? With your family?
Fly for our first time here.
Oh my goodness. And so I have been nominated. Why are you going? I have been nominated, but I don't know why he is going.
I am just going for enjoying. I'll be enjoying the Mumbai city.
But I think you have been there multiple times.
No. I have been once, in Bhiwandi.
So guys, I was talking about nomination. So let me tell you a bit. Day before yesterday, I just got a call from Maharashtra, and they said Well Talk Institute. I said yeah. They said that you have been nominated in this, Icon Award. So I said, yeah, I'm gonna be there. So that is why today I just booked a ticket and I'm just gonna be there, right? I wanna thank you for everything, guys. Come on. And this is my first experience that I'm making vlog. I don't know whether it is good or not.
While shooting a video for vlog, I met my lovely subscribers again.
Goodness, so here we have reached at airport with Mr. Mazu, you know. Excuse me.
Oh my God, I just-
you're tired. Excuse me. You're tired.
I'm
bro.
not tired. Just I'm so excited. You know why?
Hey.
By the way,
Look at our outfits. We are sophisticated, you know. Excuse me.
show me here. Oh yes.
So, but let us come to the purpose, okay?
yeah.
So, we need to thank people first of all.
Exactly.
Right?
Thank you very much.
So,
everyone.
why?
You will be letting them know.
Oh, okay, fine. So I just want to thank you, everybody, because of you, our dreams are coming true. You know, we didn't deserve anything. You know, we hadn't been able to do anything, right? But because of your cooperation, because of your support, because of your subscription, our dreams are coming true. You know, thank you for making me serve this nation. You know. I used to think a lot about serving nation, and finally, you have chosen me, you know, to serve this nation. So I really want to thank you very much. Something more for trainees, right? Because the appreciation of yours, the appreciation of people, that makes me stay more motivated, right? That makes me keep going. That makes me keep going. That is why I really, thank you very much. So let's go. Let's fly for Mumbai. So
Oh my God! Just I am going to fly for first time. You know, just
really?
exactly.
But you have been Mumbai, right?
I have been once in Bhiwandi only.
Oh my
Just
goodness.
I am just going to
So
visit Mumbai.
this is gonna be the first experience.
I'm just
of
going to
Mumbai.
enjoy too much there.
Are you not afraid of flying?
No, I am just so excited. Just I'm going to fly for first time. Just I'm waiting.
Oh
when
my
turn
goodness!
is gonna
So
come.
after 1 hour we are going to fly, and this is
Till
gonna be
then,
the
just we have
first.
to wait too
This
much.
is
Oh my
gonna
God.
be this is gonna be the first experience of Mr. Nasser. So let's see what happens, right? So I'll see you in the flight. So finally we have come in airline. Now we are going to fly. Hey, are you afraid or not now? My goodness, he is damn complicated.
No, I was checking.
What are you
Each and
saying?
everything. Yes, I was checking.
Oh my god, do you have to fasten your belt, you know?
Oh, I
You have to fasten your seat belt. Do you know how to do that? Let me see whether he knows or not. He doesn't know. He doesn't know how to fasten seat belt. He doesn't know. He doesn't. What a Gangor Bejati.
No, I can do that. But just
do
do
you?
it. Yeah.
Let me see whether he can fasten. No? Oh, you know. No. That's it. No, that's it, man. You have to fasten it. He really doesn't know. Oh, mission successful. Yeah, he knows.
Yes.
Boy, let's fly now. I'll see you in Mumbai now. Alright, so finally we have reached Mumbai. We are tired, right?
Completely, we just got tired.
Alright,
No,
so
I-
how was your, the first flight?
It was quite good experience, and just we had been waiting for our luggage.
And you know what?
And you know what? I saw a beautiful thing, can see naturality. Beautiful. So now finally we go to the hotel. Yeah, we will be going. Okay, fine. Let's go to the hotel. We'll get ready and then go for the seminar.
Having taken rest and slept, finally our friends came and they received us. They dropped us to the location where we had to go to be awarded. We reached to the location, then first we got a media interaction. She asked so many questions about our journey, about our, workshop, about our classes. I just told everything, whatever we do, however we do. It was great experience. So many people were giving their interviews in Hindi language and Marathi language, but I preferred in English language because I am trainer of English. That is why I preferred in English language. It was fantastic experience. I was completely bored over there, so I thought of having fun.
हमें तो यही सिखाया जाता है, हम यही सिखाते हैं कि जीतना कैसे, कोई भी हालत में जीतना जरूर है। सो कोई अगर बिजनेस हाथ में लिया तो मायूस कभी ना हुई है। और जितने लोगों को, और देखो अकल है ना, बादाम खाने से नहीं आती है, ठोकर खाने से आती है। बिल्कुल जितनी
She's looking like a stunner. And of course, Sudhir sir, where are you? I think you should be at the front, ladies and gentlemen. One and only Sudhir Kumar Pachare sir. And ma'am, मुझे because we have with us the very own, the very magical, the very magnanimous, the very magnetic, one and only इनके होने से सभी कुछ होना है, क्योंकि है the very Sony one and only Moni Rai. And I hope you like the introduction.
My God, first of all, good evening, good afternoon, everybody.
Mr. Mohammad Kaif, Director of Well Talk Institute, and the award goes in the category of Best EdTech Startup of the Year from Lucknow. You make some noises! Feminist side, please, sorry, women's side. Make some noise!
Sir, congratulations. Finally, you got National Icon Awards from Bollywood celebrity Moni Rai, ma'am. So, what do you think, sir? What's the biggest celebration of your life?
First of all, I would like to thank my all YouTube family. I have 5 lakh subscribers. Just because of you, it became possible. Thank you very much for making my dreams come true. I'll just keep on working hard for this nation because I have taken this oath that I'll keep on working hard for this nation. And that's my duty, that's my duty. And that is why I tell my all trainees that we will grow together, supporting each other. That is why, and today the way, this National Icon Award, the way I have been appreciated, it is really indispensable. It is really incredible. So I just want to thank everybody.
Yes, thank you so much, sir, and congratulations and all the best from our Samachar Vani and Resale.in team. Thank you, sir.
Wow, wow, wow. I was damn happy having been awarded. Then we left for having a gala time with buddies. till morning, we reached to the Taj Hotel and Gateway of India.
Alright everybody, so this was the complete journey of Mumbai. It was superb and superb and superb. Thank you very much for making us feel so great, so proud. And yes, I'm gonna be there in the auditorium doing something special for you. I'm gonna give you a lot of things. Thank you very much. Bye bye.